So somebody put cookies, 3 cookies and a candy cane in our truck. Anyways, I put it in my bag and I was going to give it to Evie, but then I got to thinking, no. So I started going down the hall and Tash had the same idea. We're going to be eating lots of candy and shit. And we both had the same idea. I was thinking about it this morning. I don't know who made them, if they made them, touched them, what they do at home, because people are sick sometimes. So anyways, I just threw them away, but I also explained to Evie too, you were going to have these, but we're not going to get sick. So Sandra, she said, did you get those cookies? Did you put them in there? I said, no. I said, oh, I don't want to get sick. She says, I don't get sick. And I said, that's a lie. You've been sick like 3 times this year. Anyways, I said, you know what would be more hilarious? If somebody headed out for Mark and wanted to get all the drivers sick. Take out all the drivers. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Mark called me. He threw me off for a loop. I swear. Well, what threw me off was, I know we have Christmas off because I worked every holiday, and then Christmas is the one I was looking for because it's the only holiday I would really have off. Well, anyways, I told the one guy, I better not see you here on Christmas. He's like, oh, I'm working Christmas. And then I seen Charmaine, and I said, Merry Christmas. Hopefully you have tomorrow off or something. She said, oh, I work tomorrow too. I'm like, are we fucking working? And then all of a sudden I go in KC's, get a drink, and Mark's calling me. And then Mark threw me off. He's like, hey, can you do a roar when you do your Republic? I was thinking, because that's what he put me on for the holiday routes. Now, Aurora Republic. And I was thinking, no, he was talking about today when I do my route. They want to put a roar on. But Troy's the only one there today. And he's like, are you doing Republic? I said, no, I got a roar too. Well, there's only 2 boxes. You sure? I'm like, that's what I was told. And then he told me one of them was Aurora. It has no label on it. And he grabbed a couple packages. He said it's Aurora. Well, I climbed on the pallet jack, and sure enough, it's all Republic. Like, that's why I double and triple check. Yeah, I went in the shed. Everyone's off. Yeah. I sent you a whole bunch of shit on Telegram. I was trying to find the pictures. No, you're fine. I was trying to find the pictures where I did Bill's route at the time, and I took a whole bunch of fucking, like, 12 wires of fucking recyclables and fucking paper, and I fucking took it all for him. And I'm like, I'm a team player. I'm not like fucking Ray that says, oh, the next guy's coming. I should have, but I fucking did. Look at this guy pass the line. Hey, buddy. No. This is a long time ago. Hey, buddy, yeah, you make sure you look over at Nixa's aisle.